The new design incorporates a titanium-aluminum alloy frame, reducing its weight to just 99 pounds. This lightweight structure facilitates precise movements and boosts agility compared to traditional heavier robots. Furthermore, Optimus Gen 3's AI-driven perception system, powered by Tesla's cutting-edge Dojo V3 chip, adeptly processes high-resolution video frames at incredible speeds. This capability allows for real-time spatial analysis with minimal error rates, marking a significant innovation. Additionally, a groundbreaking training methodology enables Optimus to rapidly acquire skills through imitation. Remarkably, it can master new tasks in under 45 seconds, significantly outpacing competitors who require more extended training periods. Moreover, Tesla's robust performance evaluation system ensures that only the most accurate tasks are executed, achieving negligible deviation while demonstrating remarkable energy efficiency. This sets a new standard for robotic performance across the industry. Transitioning to its operational capabilities, Optimus Gen 3 effectively navigates complex terrains and executes tasks with human-like reflexes. This improvement over the G1's capabilities greatly enhances its functional versatility in various environments. In addition, real-time environmental awareness, driven by Tesla's Dojo V3 chip, equips Optimus to respond almost instantaneously to changes. This ensures operational safety in fast-paced settings, contrary to the slower responses observed in traditional robots. Moreover, Optimus's dynamic adaptability to unpredictable environments significantly boosts its effectiveness in warehouses and construction sites, allowing it to outperform conventional robots like the Unitree G1. On the other hand, UBTECH's Walker S2 features an autonomous battery swapping technology, which, while providing reliable operation, requires extensive maintenance and cost considerations compared to Optimus's simpler, more efficient system. Finally, the integration of Tesla's charging infrastructure with Optimus leads to reduced energy costs and increased operational uptime, establishing it as a sustainable choice in comparison to its competitors. Optimus Gen 3 incorporates sophisticated sensors, including cameras and ultrasonic depth sensors, which facilitate its ability to perceive and navigate stairs with remarkable efficiency. This cutting-edge technology significantly contributes to the robot's adept movement planning. Additionally, the robot's force sensors deliver real-time feedback that allows for precise adjustments in joint movements, effectively preventing slippage and ensuring balance during descents. This capability is critically important for the successful navigation of stairs. Moreover, the integration of Grok AI-4 significantly enhances Optimus's competence in understanding and responding to commands, thereby improving its contextual reasoning and spatial awareness. This advancement is particularly beneficial when navigating complex environments. Furthermore, the combination of artificial intelligence and advanced sensors empowers TeslaBot Gen 3 to predict movements and maintain stability, distinguishing it from conventional rigid robots. This proactive approach markedly increases its adaptability to various situations. In addition, the TeslaBot Gen 3 employs a sophisticated array of foot-mounted inertial measurement units, IMUs, and torque sensors to assess pressure and orientation, thereby mimicking the subtle micro-adjustments humans make on uneven surfaces. This technology significantly enhances the robot's overall balance. Dynamic balance is further refined through high-frequency physics simulations that evaluate potential movements, facilitating swift adjustments to maintain stability. This capability equips the robot to effectively manage challenging terrains. Moreover, the robot's ability to adjust its center of gravity not only enhances energy efficiency but also minimizes mechanical stress, thereby promoting long-term reliability in its operational functions. In light of future enhancements anticipated from Grok AI-4, it is expected that the robot's contextual decision-making will further improve, enabling it to adapt dynamically to various terrain types and environmental conditions. Lastly, Optimus Gen 3 demonstrates exceptional performance in indoor settings, owing to its thoughtful design, which allows it to navigate standard furniture and household obstacles with both ease and precision. Optimus Gen 3.5 fundamentally transforms household management, reducing the time required for chores to a mere 5 to 10 minutes per day. By automating essential tasks such as cleaning, cooking, and laundry, it significantly enhances convenience for its users. Moreover, Optimus seamlessly integrates with Tesla energy systems to optimize household energy consumption. It possesses the capability to schedule household tasks based on fluctuating electricity costs or availability of surplus solar power, thereby promoting overall energy efficiency. In addition to energy management, Optimus serves as a valuable support system for elderly and childcare needs. It continuously monitors vital signs and is equipped to respond promptly to emergencies, fulfilling the dual role of a family assistant while ensuring a safe environment for children. The robot's safety monitoring extends beyond mere supervision. It is adept at detecting potential hazards and actuating emergency responses, thereby fostering a secure atmosphere for both children and the elderly. This continual vigilance plays a critical role in preventive measures. Furthermore, Optimus Gen 3.5 is specifically designed to cater to individuals with mobility impairments, effectively enhancing their independence in daily activities. Its personalized approach allows for adaptation to individual user needs, ensuring effective support. In the context of a post-pandemic world, Optimus significantly contributes to home productivity by managing distractions and optimizing the work environment. Its integration with smart home systems serves to enhance focus and overall efficiency. Additionally, Optimus proves to be an invaluable aid during presentations, adept at setting up cameras and adjusting audio settings to achieve optimal results. This capability simplifies the process, allowing users to concentrate on delivering their content effectively. The robot also facilitates a healthy work-life balance by seamlessly transitioning between modes, such as playing music or preparing dinner, ultimately minimizing stress after working hours. Finally, with its predictive maintenance capabilities, Optimus proactively alerts users to potential appliance issues before they escalate, effectively saving costs and extending the operational lifespan of household appliances. The evolution from Generation 1 to Generation 3 encompasses a substantial redesign, estimated at 80%, which significantly enhances the durability, flexibility, and overall functionality of the Tesla Optimus robot. This transformation is particularly evident in its adaptability to various applications across real-world environments. Furthermore, Tesla Optimus Generation 3 exhibits notable advancements in mobility. This iteration features improved weight distribution and speed, which collectively enhance its capacity to navigate complex terrains and execute a diverse array of tasks more effectively. In addition, the integration of innovative technologies, such as multimodal data processing, empowers the robot to adapt dynamically to its surroundings. This capability not only augments its collaborative abilities but also facilitates real-time obstacle avoidance, thereby significantly enhancing operational safety. Moreover, the modular design of Generation 3 employs lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber, which contribute to improved efficiency and mitigate overheating issues. These enhancements ultimately result in extended operational times, allowing for more sustained use in various environments. In terms of production, Tesla aims to manufacture between 10,000 and 12,000 units by 2026. This strategic goal not only supports a scalable manufacturing approach but also addresses potential supply chain challenges through in-house production capabilities. Additionally, Optimus Generation 3 is adeptly designed to assist with daily tasks, thus proving particularly beneficial for senior citizens. This functionality enables them to engage in more meaningful activities by alleviating the burden of labor-intensive chores. The maintenance and repair costs associated with Optimus are comparable to those of electric vehicle servicing, which positions it as a pragmatic alternative to human caregivers, whose schedules can often be unpredictable. In order to enhance accessibility, Tesla is committed to providing tailored financing options for seniors. This initiative includes low-interest loans and trade-in credits for mobility aids, thereby promoting broader adoption of the technology. Lastly, the continuous advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics indicate that Optimus has the potential to outperform human capabilities. Such progress may not only improve the quality of life for individuals but also reduce the reliance on hired assistants in various tasks. The strategic decision to locate the robot's brain within its torso notably enhances balance and minimizes the risk of damage during falls. This innovative design significantly contributes to the overall mobility of the Optimus. Moreover, the latest iteration of Optimus incorporates a lighter aluminum alloy along with advanced cooling systems. This not only highlights Tesla's extensive experience in electric vehicle manufacturing but also ensures both durability and optimal performance. In alignment with Elon Musk's vision for the Optimus Gen 3, a complete in-house design approach is adopted. This shift from a mixed component method aims to achieve heightened integration and efficiency throughout the production process. Furthermore, the use of proprietary gearboxes in this model results in a reduction of energy loss by as much as 30%. This advancement facilitates smoother movements, enabling the robot to effectively manage heavier payloads, marking a commendable improvement over Generation 2. In addition, Tesla's transition to custom inverters and power management systems enhances voltage handling while simultaneously reducing heat generation. This evolution contributes to a more compact and efficient design, ultimately resulting in a slimmer profile for the robot. Significantly, the control electronics have undergone upgrades with the integration of bespoke processors that enable real-time AI inference. This enhancement facilitates advanced behaviors and supports efficient energy management, ensuring reliability in high-stakes applications. The incorporation of high-resolution cameras paired with AI pre-processing further allows the robot to interact with its environment with an unprecedented level of sensitivity and speed, leading to an improvement in task execution efficiency. With a redesign that employs lightweight yet durable materials, the mechanical structure of Gen 3 significantly supports greater versatility and boasts a projected operational lifespan of 10 years. This feature notably reduces maintenance requirements. Tesla's distinctive approach effectively combines its automotive expertise with advancements in robotics. By utilizing existing technologies and logistics, the company strives for efficient production while maintaining a vision to create billions of robots. In the healthcare domain, the Tesla bot's aptitude for swiftly analyzing medical records underscores its potential impact. This capability promises to save time and enhance accuracy for researchers, potentially transforming practices in medical research significantly. Moreover, Optimus robots are designed to share knowledge and experiences among themselves, fostering a form of collective intelligence. This innovative learning methodology enhances their adaptability and performance, drawing parallels to human information exchange in social contexts. Equipped with a vision-only perception system, Tesla Optimus effectively eliminates dependence on complex sensors. This streamlined approach allows for efficient navigation and obstacle avoidance across diverse environments. The robot utilizes an intricate combination of over 40 motorized actuators, providing it with more than 200 degrees of freedom. This complexity is essential for maintaining balance and facilitating movement, particularly in challenging environments. Furthermore, the walking capabilities of Optimus Gen 3 are significantly enhanced by a sophisticated digital model that takes various elements, including weight and terrain, into consideration. This model plays a crucial role in generating efficient movement trajectories. The trajectory generation process is systematically structured into 3 steps, optimizing both path planning and energy consumption considerably. As a result of this efficiency, there is a notable 45% reduction in energy usage when compared to the previous generation. Additionally, the integration of human postures into robot training enables Optimus to replicate tasks that are traditionally performed by humans in factories and offices. This enhancement significantly boosts its operational efficiency. By utilizing simulations that account for variations in object sizes and weights, Optimus demonstrates a remarkable ability to adapt to real-world challenges. This adaptability is particularly vital for ensuring effective operations within warehouse settings. In a groundbreaking development, Neuralink enhances Optimus's capabilities by enabling direct communication between the brain and the robot. This advancement holds the potential to transform daily living for individuals facing mobility challenges. In practical terms, Optimus could assist individuals with various daily tasks, such as cooking and cleaning. This support empowers seniors to enjoy life without the burden of chores, thereby enhancing their independence and overall quality of life. Moreover, the advanced Tesla batteries are designed to power Optimus for extended durations, ensuring that it is consistently ready to assist. This capability allows individuals to dedicate more time to hobbies and to engage meaningfully with loved ones. Finally, Neuralink facilitates communication without the need for spoken words, thereby enabling seniors to participate actively in social activities and connect with family members. This technology not only fosters emotional well-being but also aids in overcoming physical challenges. The latest shoulder and arm system features a state-of-the-art ball-end socket design, which significantly enhances flexibility and precision in manipulation. This advancement greatly amplifies the robot's overall capabilities. Utilizing lightweight materials, Optimus 3 not only boosts agility but also allows for the transportation of heavier loads. This development optimizes work efficiency across diverse environments. Powered by an advanced neural network, Optimus distinguishes itself by learning complex tasks through observation. This ability sets it apart from other robots that often struggle to adapt in similar situations. Optimus's vision system plays a crucial role in its operational precision, enabling it to navigate and avoid obstacles effectively in both residential and industrial environments. This technology draws inspiration from Tesla's self-driving vehicles. The Hand of Generation 3 boasts 22 degrees of freedom, providing unparalleled dexterity for executing intricate tasks. This redesign addresses the previous limitations of robotic hand functionality. Real-time feedback constitutes a major breakthrough, allowing the robot to adjust its grip strength on the fly. This feature is vital for handling fragile items and performing accurate actions. With its enhanced capabilities, the Gen 3 robot excels in delicate operations, such as manipulating fragile materials and utilizing standard tools. This achievement demonstrates a significant advancement over its predecessor. The design flexibility of Gen 3 allows it to extend its usefulness into healthcare environments, showcasing its versatility beyond traditional settings. It can effectively manage tools and devices, enhancing medical workflows under supervision. Cost efficiency is realized through innovative battery technology and streamlined production methods, enabling a target price of $20,000. This affordability paves the way for widespread adoption across various sectors. Optimus 3 is meticulously designed from the ground up, incorporating custom components and advanced engineering. This development reflects Tesla's unwavering commitment to innovation in robotics. However, the complexity of this project underscores the significant challenges that Musk recognizes in the pursuit of creating a functional robot. The AI foundation of Optimus leverages Tesla's vast array of driving data, providing a notable competitive advantage. This integration is intended to bolster the robot's learning capabilities and enhance its operational efficiency in real-world applications. Market analysts estimate that production numbers for Optimus could reach as high as 100,000 units annually, indicating a promising market opportunity. Such figures could lead to considerable revenue generation and a substantial impact across multiple industries. However, Optimus encounters challenges in sourcing off-the-shelf components, necessitating a complete redesign of its mechanical and control systems. This reality calls for advanced engineering and meticulous optimization to ensure functionality. Training Optimus to move fluidly and mimic human motions involves intricate machine learning techniques, requiring substantial real-world data to navigate various scenarios. This complexity introduces an additional layer of difficulty in its overall development. Musk envisions Optimus as a pivotal product for Tesla, suggesting it may surpass electric vehicles in terms of market impact. This positioning indicates a significant strategic shift for the company as it explores new avenues for growth. The humanoid robot market is projected to exceed $10 trillion, presenting vast opportunities across diverse industries, far outpacing the electric vehicle market's anticipated $950 billion by 2030. This marks a substantial area of potential expansion. Optimus robots are expected to achieve profit margins exceeding 40%, a stark contrast to the more modest margins of traditional electric vehicles. This capability could significantly enhance Tesla's financial performance and sustainability. With lower upfront investment requirements and the potential for rapid scaling, Optimus robots offer an appealing economic model, capable of replacing full-time workers quickly. This positions them as a compelling alternative to electric vehicles. The robot employs state-of-the-art computer vision and sensing technologies to identify individuals, thereby customizing its behavior to suit specific users. This capability significantly enhances its operational efficiency in densely populated environments. Furthermore, through the application of reinforcement learning and expansive artificial intelligence models, Tesla Optimus can interpret human cues, which fosters more personalized interactions and facilitates improved performance over time. Such advancements markedly enrich the overall user experience. Additionally, Optimus incorporates a specialized mechanical architecture equipped with actuators that facilitate precise movements, enabling it to perform a broad spectrum of physical tasks. This innovative design plays a pivotal role in maintaining its operational efficacy. Moreover, the integration of intricate joint systems and force sensors empowers Optimus to replicate human-like movements while ensuring safety and flexibility during its operations. This capability significantly enhances its effectiveness across various tasks. In pursuit of excellence, Tesla has developed proprietary actuators that adhere to stringent standards for strength, accuracy, and energy efficiency, rendering Optimus proficient in carrying out delicate tasks. This technological advancement distinctly differentiates Optimus from conventional robotic systems. Consequently, the reduction in both weight and mechanical components in the Optimus Gen 3 leads to decreased assembly costs and lower maintenance requirements. This optimization is essential for Tesla's ambitions regarding mass production and the ultimate aim of affordability. By leveraging automotive supply chains, Tesla is able to procure components at reduced prices, such as high-resolution cameras available at approximately $50 each, which significantly enhances affordability for consumers. In addition to this, Tesla's innovative pricing strategy, which includes potential subscription models, seeks to broaden access to Optimus, particularly targeting households that require AI-driven assistance. Finally, the scalability of Tesla's production capabilities, with aspirations to manufacture 1 million units annually, has the potential to drastically lower unit costs, thereby potentially transforming the landscape of the robotics industry.